I'm Les Ottolenghi, and I'm with Caesars Entertainment. The key takeaway is the changing role of IT. Enterprise IT has gone to a service-driven model, creating a velocity for the business to move forward and meet its customers' demands. So if IT is not aligned with those customers' demands, it can't service and provide the kind of support that the organization is looking for. And to be successful in a digital world, one driven by technology and by behaviors that our customers have adopted through technology, IT must be aligned to deliver those services in real time and at the rapid pace that the customer demands. You know, it's a great question about where Caesars IT was and where it is now. I've been with the company for 3.5 years, and when I first arrived, the average age of a system was 18.1 years. And the most important systems, like the customer-facing systems, or even the back office, general ledger, accounts payable, payroll, etc., the things that make the company run day to day with its team members, those were 35 years old and 40 years old. So very, very old systems, old architecture, all point to point, and everything was on-premise, nothing in the cloud. Fast forward 30 months, and 90% of what we do is in the cloud. 55% of our systems are cloud-based, absolutely off-premise, and the remainder are on-premise and being virtualized so that we have a hybrid between public cloud, private cloud, and really the most efficient, scalable, and secure set of applications and services for any company in the casino hospitality business, or for that matter, I would argue, maybe even in Fortune 500. Well, you know, IT is the core, or technology really is the core of anything that you develop that is new or interacts with the customer. So if a customer is on their mobile device, and our customers, they're on their mobile devices 6.5 hours a day, approximately. If we're not able to reach them through technology, we can't be in business. So the core value and importance of IT to the business is to deliver those digital services our customers demand. But it's important when you can measure this, if you look at EBITDA and you just do a contribution to EBITDA, of all the EBITDA-based projects going forward for Caesars in 2019, over 89% are related specifically to technology. So you can look at rooms that are being refurbished, new casino games, but everything else is all electronic. And I would even argue that the technology behind making a better room or putting new slot systems in or new interactive games are also technology. So it's close to 100%. I mean, this is what drives the business. So IT is around 3 major values to create what is wealth in an organization. That is the ability to automate and save money, ability to better engage with the customer, and then offer new services. So when you think about automation or you think about efficiency and productivity inside of Caesars, it is the use of technology to provide ability to do RPA. So take all the older processes and automate them instead of doing lift and shift with data or handcrafting information and by typing it on keys and putting it into systems. It's automating those processes. But it's even more. It's IoT. It is robotics. And as we think about the ways to make our operations more efficient and really more reactive to what the customer is looking for, so instant service in the room, the ability to call up either Google, Alexa, or Siri in the room and get room service, automation spans the entire company experience, whether it's for our team members or for our guests. We're improving the guest experience across the entire company. We have an entire new hospitality system for everything about registering, making reservations, checking into a room, doing everything you want through your mobile phone. We're rolling out those systems right now and through the end of 2019. But maybe most exciting and most immediate is our Casino of the Future. It launches officially June 7. Now, we did a launch on Memorial Day 2019, which was a soft launch, but this is everything that you would think about in the future experience. So you go to the bar, And the tabletop of the bar is actually a set of video games, and one contiguous video game for the entire bar for everybody sitting there, with the scoring system and the display for seeing who's on the leaderboard right behind the bartender. So games automatically start up. When people finish the games, they can put their drinks down, or they can keep drinking and keep playing. We have one which is like a shark attack, another one which is an alien invasion, but it's all the players sitting there at the bar with their scores right behind them, right behind the bartender. And this allows them to interact with the experience of just getting food and beverage. Now, in our sports book, it is the casino of the future. You're sitting in lounges, not in a chair looking at big screens and watching a baseball game for 9 innings. No, you're watching at least 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 different sports while you're sitting there with your Xbox controller playing against your friend in Ohio or somebody in another fan cave to your right or to your left, and you're winning prizes the entire time. And this allows you not only to have a great experience in terms of the new sports book, but you can sit there and enjoy it your way. Because on your phone, you can order your food, you can place bets, you can do whatever you want without having to go around and figure out how to deposit a slip of paper to make the odds on a bet for a basketball game. All of that is the past. We are the future now, and we have this casino of the future experience launched at the Link and Link Promenade in Las Vegas. I would encourage IT leaders to think about what is their operating model for innovation, for the adoption of new technology, for the speed and velocity of getting product and service out to the customer. They can't look like some organization that's managing servers and software. That's an asset manager. And they can't really even look like just a pure service delivery company, because that means they're an order taker. They have to be strategic. They have to think, what will the company need? What will the business need? What will my colleagues in each operating group require in order to execute on their business priorities, but also think about new business priorities. So 1 month ago, beginning of May, Caesars announced the first ever innovation center and accelerator for the casino and hospitality industry, called Blackfire. It is a 4-story structure in the Harry Reid Research and Science Park in Las Vegas, and it is in cooperation with UNLV. And interestingly enough, we are oversubscribed with the number of technology companies, big tech, small tech, who want to come and actually co-locate and co-work with us on major new innovations. All of these are simulated casino environments, hotel rooms, food and beverage kitchens, you name it. It's the whole experience of the integrated resort in one place that allows us to quickly iterate new ideas, new concepts, look at data, analyze what our customer needs, and start providing that in a technology form, and then quickly deploy it out to our properties. So we've run dark fiber out from our data center near there called Switch, and then down to the Strip, so that we can quickly move applications out of the Innovation Center and directly into our integrated resorts. Listen, the American IT Summit and the CIO Summit is fantastic. It's about thinking forward. It is about actually thinking about not what you do today, but how you can be successful in the future, and what does it take to be a leader in this world of IT. And as a CIO, what is your role? Is your role strategic? Is it operational? Or is it actually to take a company in a new direction? And I think it's the latter, because what I've heard from everything today is that everyone who's in IT as a leader, as a CIO, is thinking about what their next step is, what it has to be for their company, and how they're going to be productive and valuable in the work that they do and their organization provides to their overall enterprise.